Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Apple iPad Pro. So you have to start by opening your App Store, and now you have to click on the search bar and type in Edge. Then click search and click here on this download icon. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now again. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.